The mystery within petals. The rose in the photograph looks, at first glance, like every other rose, red, layered with petals that spiral toward a quiet center. Yet the longer one looks, the more its small distinctions appear. The precise curl of a petal, the subtle shift in shade, the way light settles differently upon its surface. So it is with people. From a distance, we resemble one another, recognizable in shape and expression, but likeness is only the beginning. Only through closeness, through time, conversation, and shared moments do the hidden patterns of a person's nature begin to unfold. And still, even then, mystery remains. No one can fully explain why this rose opens just so, or why one human heart moves differently from another. Life resists perfect explanation. We try, with the knowledge of our time, to name and understand what we see, though our understanding never travels far beyond the horizon of our own age. Yet the impulse to look closer, to ask why, and to push gently against the boundaries of what we know, that restless curiosity is perhaps the most human trait of all.